Hello friends, welcome to Art with Aruna, and today we are going to solve NCERT class 6 exercise 8.5 question number 1. So our first question is find the sum in each of the following. Sum means we need to add given decimal numbers. But before addition, let's understand the concept of decimal numbers. A decimal number contains three parts, that is left hand side, then decimal point, then right hand side. For example, if I write here 65.72, here we read this number as 65.72. We cannot read this number as 72 because here before decimal point this part is the whole part or represents the whole number. This is the decimal point. Then in right hand side we have fractional part which is not complete. Fractional part means a number which is not complete, which is not having a whole number, or we can say which is the part of a whole number is called the fractional part. So what we need to keep in mind while addition of the decimal number is we need to balance the left hand side of all the numbers as well as right hand side of the all numbers. Let's start with the question number 1. Here is our first question, and here you need to check the numbers before decimal point and after decimal point. So here in first number we have one digit before decimal point. Here also we have one digit before decimal point, but here we have two digit before decimal point. So maximum digit present before decimal point is 2 digit. So we need to make 2 digits here also before decimal point. So we are going to add 0 here, and we are adding 1 0 over here to make the 2 digit before decimal point in both the numbers. Now all these three numbers have 2 digit before decimal point. Now next we need to check the numbers digits present after decimal point in these three numbers. So here you can see that we have 3 digit after decimal point, here 1 digit after decimal point, and here we have 2 digit after decimal point. So maximum digit present after decimal point is 3 digits. So we need to make 3 digit here. So to make 3 digit here after decimal point, we need to add 2 zeros after this 5. Now it is 3 digit after decimal point, and here we need to add 1 0 to make the 3 digit after decimal point. Now all these three numbers have same number of digits present before decimal point and same number of digits after decimal point. Now easily we can add these three numbers. So let's write down the first number, that is 0.007, then 08.500, then 30.080. Now here keep in mind that you always need to write down the ones below ones, tens below tens, decimal point below decimal point, tenth below tenth, hundred below hundred, and thousand below thousand. So let's add 700 is 7, 008 is 8, 050 is 5. Now put decimal point at the same position. Next 080 is 8, 003 is 3. So we got the answer 38.587 for our first question. Here is our second question, that is 15 plus 0.632 plus 13.8. So here you can see that this 15 is the whole number and here it is without decimal point. To convert this number into decimal point, simply we need to add decimal point here and 1 0 here. Now it is also a decimal number. Now we are going to follow the same steps as we are done in the question number 1. We need to check the numbers present in before the decimal point. So here we have 2 digits, here we have 1 digit before decimal point, and here we have 2 digit before decimal point. So maximum number of digits present before decimal point is 2. So simply we need to add the 1 0 to balance the number. Next we need to check the number of digit present after decimal point. Here we have 1 digit, here we have 3 digit, and here we have 1 digit. So maximum number of digit present after decimal point is 3. So we need to add 2 more zeros here, and we need to add 2 zeros here to make 3 digit after decimal point. Now all the digits are balanced. Now we can add the numbers. So let's write down the numbers. That is 15.000. Next is 00.632. Next is 13.800. Now let's add the number 020, that is 2, 030, 3, 068, that is 14. Here we need to copy the decimal point as it is, and we got the answer 14 here. So 1 is carry. So here 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 plus 3, 9. Then 1 plus 0, 0 plus 1, that is 2. So we got the answer 29.432. Here is our third question. 27.076 plus 0.55 plus 0.004. Here you can see that we have 2 digit before decimal point. Here we have 1 digit. Here also we have 1 digit. So we need to add 1 0 here to make 2 digit. Here also we need to add 1 0. Now we have 2 digit before decimal point, and we have 3 digit here, 2 digit here, and 3 digit here after decimal point. So these two are okay, but we need to add 1 0 here to make the 3 digit after decimal point. Now we need to add the numbers. So here we will write 27.076. Next is 0.550. Next is 0.004. Let's add all these three numbers. Here 604 is 10, 1 carry, 1 plus 7 8, 8 plus 5 13, 3 here, 1 carry, 1 plus 5, that is 6, then decimal point, here 7, here 2. So the answer of third question is 27.630. Here is our fourth question. 25.65 plus 9.005 plus 3.7. Here you can see that maximum number of digits before decimal point is 2. So we need to add 1 0 here to make 2 digit. Here we need to add 1 0. Then maximum number of digit after decimal point is 3. So here we need to add 1 0, and here we need to add 2 zeros. Now let's say add the number 25.650, then 09.005, then 03.700. Always keep in mind, write down the decimal point just below the decimal point. So here 050, 5, 500, again 5, 607, that is 13, 1 carry. Just note down the decimal point as it is. Then 1 plus 5 6, 6 plus 9 15, 15 plus 3 18, 1 carry, 1 plus 2 3. So the answer for fourth question is 38.355. Here is our fifth question. 0.75 plus 10.425 plus 2. Here 2 is the whole number. To convert this to in decimal number, we need to add one decimal point here and then 1 0. Now before decimal point we have 1 digit here, 2 digit here, and 1 digit here. So here we need to add 1 0, and here also we need to add 1 0. Then after decimal point we have 2 digit, 3 digit, 1 digit. So maximum number of digit is 3. So we need to add 1 0 here, 2 zeros here. Now let's add the numbers. 0.750, 10.425, here 02.000. Let's add the numbers. Here 0505, 5 plus 2 7, 4 plus 7 11, 1 carry is here. Keep the decimal point as it is. Then 1 plus 2 3, here it is 1. So answer for our fifth question is 13.175. Here is our last question. 280.69 plus 25.2 plus 38. Here 38 is the whole number. To convert this whole number into decimal number, we need to add decimal point here and 1 0 here after decimal point. Now here you can see that maximum number of digits present before decimal point are 3. So we need to add 1 0 here and 1 0 here. Maximum number of digits after decimal point is 2. So we need to add 1 0 here, 1 0 here. Now let's add the numbers. 280.69, then 25.20, then 38.00. Let's add here 9 here, 6 plus 2 8, we need to put decimal point here, then 5 plus 8 13, 1 carry, 1 plus 8 9, 9 plus 2 11, 11 plus 3 14, 1 carry, 2 plus 1 3. So here we got the answer 343.89. Thanks for watching friends. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment on this video. If you have any problem in any specific type of questions, then please write down in comment box. Definitely I will make video on that. Thank you.